This tutorial is going to go over how to add the Getting Started link in the News widget with D2L Brightspace. Starting on the home page, you'll notice in the left-hand side there's a section for news. What I'm going to do is go on ahead and add a section on the front home page for students to clearly know where to go to get started. So in the news icon, I'm going to click that downward arrow and go to New News Item. I'm going to try to make the headline clear, so I'll put Start here. And then in my content, what I'm going to do is add the link that's going to direct students directly to the content module with all of my information for the course. So up here you see the two chains, and that's the icon to insert a quick link. And there are a few selections, but what we're going to want to do is go to Content and then to Getting Started. Once I get here, I'm going to hit the plus sign, and here I have where it has the HTML properties. So I will click here for information to get started in this course. I'm going to have it where it's opening in a new window and then insert. And as you can see now, I have a hyperlink, so students are directly directed to that content. So I'm going to go on ahead, hit publish, and you'll see when I go back to home, I have a news announcement, Start here. If I'm hovering over, you can see that I can click on this hyperlink and it's taken me to that module.